Hi, I'm Dr Peter Doherty and I want to talk to you about a new treatment we're offering here at 3Dental, Zygomatic Implants. When we do full mouth implants, we need enough bone to do that, and in the upper jaw this can sometimes be a problem. So if somebody has had a denture for a long time, they've been missing teeth for a long time, they may have insufficient bone in their upper jaw for implants. And we have a very unique and innovative solution for that, and the name of this is Zygomatic Implants. So what that involves is placing longer implants but into the cheekbones, into the bone up here, and using that to support some teeth on it. So zygomatic implants are useful for people who don't have bone in the first place or have previously had attempts at implants, they've failed and now they're left in a situation where they don't have enough bone, or people who've had bone grafts which have not worked and similarly they need another way to restore their teeth. And the last section of people that it's useful for are people who want a quick solution, people who are not interested in long grafting procedures and wait times, who just want to get to fixed teeth as quickly as they can. So I'll show you this model. So this is a model of somebody's upper jaw, and I'll just orientate you because it can be a little bit confusing when you've not seen one of these before. So this is the nose here, and these are the end of the eye sockets, there and there. And then this here is the bone that supports teeth. Normally, this is the bone where you would find teeth. And in situations where we provide full mouth implant solutions for people, this is exactly where we're putting implants, just into this bone. But generally the implants are placed vertically, up like this. And you'll see these little blue things here, these are replicas of zygomatic implants. So the zygoma is this bone here, this is your cheekbone. And when we don't have enough bone in these areas where you'd normally find your teeth, what we do is we provide longer implants at an angle so that they insert into the dense zygoma bone. And then the tops of the implants come out here, normally where you have your teeth. All this is covered over by gum, you can't see that or feel that. And then we make a fixed set of teeth that go exactly on top of those implants. So it's the same as an all-on-4 or all-on-6 treatment, it's just that the implants are in a different position to utilize areas where we have bone in cases where people have been told that they have insufficient bone for implants or implants are not possible. The procedure itself of zygomatic implants is carried out under local anaesthetic and sedation in the dental surgery, and we plan the teeth that we're going to give you prior to the procedure. So on the day of your surgery you get your implants, and later on that day you'd have the teeth fitted. And then after a period of 3 months or so, we would make you a final set of teeth on those implants. One particular group of patients that benefit massively from zygomatic implants are people who've been wearing full dentures for many years. So if you've been wearing an upper full denture for a long period of time, often the bone that supports the denture will be very, very thin and incapable of holding implants. So in this particular group of people, zygomatic implants come into their own, because what we find is that people will still have bone in their zygomas and their cheekbones that we can use to support a fixed set of teeth and absolutely transform their lives. It's very satisfying to find somebody who has been wearing a full denture for ages, it's loose, they use sticky pastes and that kind of thing, and they've been told by many people that implants are not possible for them. Now, with the advent of zygoma implants at 3Dental, we can offer these people a solution. So if you've been told in the past that you don't have enough bone in your upper jaw for implants, then zygomatic implants are a solution for you. If you've got missing teeth, if you're wearing dentures, if you've got failing teeth, then you can have a look at our website, you'll find our contact details there. You can make contact with us and arrange a free consultation to discuss your zygomatic implant options.